Welcome back again. It's Module 2. You've made it this far, and it's great. And I hope you're learning some new ideas about business and getting a little bit more familiar with terms and concepts. And in this one, we're going to talk a little bit about organizing a business and getting you off the ground. So it's going to talk about how you make some decisions if you're starting a business. Now, I know a lot of you are thinking about starting a business because I've taught this course for a number of years, and I know a lot of the students in class, in the back of your mind or even in the front of your mind, you're thinking, I have a business and I'd like to get started. Well, in this module, you're going to get a link to the Small Business Development Center, and I really encourage you to consider checking out that link. It's a free service done by Delta College in conjunction with the state of California, and they provide a variety of free resources for people who are in a business, thinking about starting a business, and in a way to try to help to make you successful in your business endeavor. So when you encounter that link, I encourage you to click on it and see what the Small Business Development Center might have to offer for you. So now let's get into a few more of the other topics that are included in this module. And one of them really is, how do you organize your business? And when we talk about organizations, it's really that legal decision. Do you establish a sole proprietorship? Do you establish a partnership? Or do you go to becoming a corporation? And so they are different types of legal entities, and they have different implications to you when you run a business. If you go into a sole proprietorship, it's up to you to make the decisions. It's up to you to finance the business, to get it off the ground. You're responsible. And with that comes not only the benefit of all the profits go back to you, but the risks of you losing money. And that means also losing your personal money, not just your business money. So then the next thing you think about is, well, I have a buddy and I want to go into a partnership. She and I, or he and I, or she and she will, share in the operation of the business. And so that means you are jointly involved in this business. And with that comes a joint sharing based on the level of participation, joint sharing of the profits, and joint sharing of the problems, which could be losses. And again, you become, and your partner become, personally liable for the functioning of the business. Now, then you become a corporation, and that was a way that people decided, let's set up a separate entity that sort of protects us from this personal loss and have it as a corporate loss. And so there are many more restrictions on an individual as you start a corporation. And so you really have to be a little bit more sophisticated in your organization of that corporate structure. And there are a variety of different types of corporations that you'll learn about as you go through the module, read through the course material, and read some of our articles. And so I hope that you get a sense of, hey, if we're starting to get the idea that you want to start a business, go into it with your eyes open so that you really understand both the risks and the rewards of running your own business. And I hope that this article and module helps you in that decision-making process. So again, any questions, send me a inbox message via our Canvas system, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. And don't forget, check out that Small Business Development Center link and see if it might help you if you are deciding or thinking about going into business for yourself. Thanks for watching. We'll be back to talk with you more about introduction to business. Bye-bye.